If we look more broadly at the role of media in optometry, obviously we're focused very much on the optometry space with the audience that we speak to. What role do you see the media playing in the optometry space?
The optical profession and how we work is changing. And whether or not we work for a corporate or an independent, how much is AI going to be involved, all of these different things. But there's one certainty out there, is that people are always going to have eye conditions, whether it's myopia or presbyopia, and they're going to have eye diseases. And it's increasing. You have to have some media out there that is communicating the latest research, the latest devices that can detect and treat eye diseases, and of course, the latest eyewear. It's all part of eye health. So the role of media in optometry and ophthalmology is to inform the optical professions of developments in all of these areas, and that will never go away.